Hello Hedera Hashgraph, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big news, big video for all Hedera Hashgraph holders, and especially this video is very important for the short-term investor, my friends. Short-term investor, wake up in the market. It's a profit time. It's the biggest opportunity with all of you, my friends. You know what? Today is the first day of the July month, and what's going on the July month in this video I'm going to show you. Now at this time, the price of the Hedera Hashgraph is 0.18147 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Hedera Hashgraph. Furthermore, you can see here now in the beginning of the July month, the price of the Hedera Hashgraph is very badly falls down, my friends. But my friends, I know that is a temporary falls. After a few minutes, after some percentage of time, the price change will become positive, my friends. That's a temporary falls, I'm sure. Anyways, so this time my personal advice for all of you is that please, short-term investor, buy more and more Bittorrent token. Hedera Hashgraph. It is time buy more and more, and buy the dip, my friends. You know what? This time the price of the Hedera Hashgraph is low, and so that's why I'm telling you that please buy Hedera Hashgraph on the low price and hold for 28, 29 days, and after that you can easily sell Hedera Hashgraph and the high price, my friends. So you will get good amount of profit with the Hedera Hashgraph if you hold for 1 week, for 1 month, my friends. So that's the opportunity. If you want profit, buy more and more Hedera Hashgraph, approximately a 10,000 or 2,000 Hedera Hashgraph token, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and how do you feel today about Hedera Hashgraph? Please also tell me in the comment box, and also subscribe my channel for more updates and news videos, my friends. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.